Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by verifying Python 3.10 or newer and creating an isolated venv so dependencies don't clash. This prevents environment drift. Once done, enable the Gemini API in your Cloud Console and generate an API key or service account JSON. You need these credentials to authenticate. Next, install the official client library with pip and set an environment variable or point your code to the service account file so subsequent calls authenticate automatically. You now wire authentication into code by loading credentials from a secure env or service account JSON. This avoids hard-coding secrets. Then initialize the Gemini client and select the model variant that fits your task. Smaller models are cheaper, larger ones give higher quality. After that, construct a request with your prompt, desired max tokens, temperature, and any stop sequences. Make the call, await the response, and parse the returned content or embeddings depending on the endpoint you used. You finish by post-processing outputs. Trim whitespace, detokenize if needed, and apply safety filters or confidence checks before using results in production. Make sure to implement retries with exponential backoff and respect rate limits. This reduces failures under load. When deploying, monitor latency and cost per call so you can switch model sizes or batch requests. If something breaks, first confirm your API key or service account file is correct and has the necessary scopes. Often that resolves authentication.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.